I'm Dave Crenshaw, serving up your small business slice. Quick yet powerful tips for the chaotic, crazy busy, mile a minute, possibly ADHD entrepreneur. Many entrepreneurs pride themselves on their ability to work as long as it takes to get the job done. This, however, leads to burnout. It actually hurts productivity in the long run. One business owner I coach suggested a metaphor for this. She called it the finish line, and I love it. The finish line means that you define the start and the stop time of each day. Now, wherever you have been working to this point, I want you to take some small step in defining that line. For instance, perhaps you'll start your day at 8 and end your day at 7 if you've been working till 7:30. So what I'd like you to do in the comment section below is share what you believe your finish line will be, your start time and your stop time to each day. Also, if you have any question you'd like me to answer in a future video, ask that below as well. Thanks for watching. Now go win the race.